Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide silence notifications on the lock screen during focus mode or do not disturb turn on the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, the Mini or the Pro Max running iOS 15. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. In here, tap on Do Not Disturb. Then go down and tap on Lock Screen. Then you go to the Silence Notifications section and tap on Show on Lock Screen. So now that it is turned on. So let's take an example and see how that works. So at the moment I have Do Not Disturb turned on. And if I go to my lock screen right now and if I type in a message, okay, I type in a message right there and I'll send, and you can see on my iPhone I do not get any alert. However, if I open up my lock screen, you can see there is a text message right there. If I send another one, it should arrive shortly. However, I will not get any alert. So it hasn't come yet. So I'll send another message. Fun day. Okay, so now it has arrived, but it will not alert me. However, it shows silence notifications on my lock screen. And if I want to switch it off completely, so I go into Settings and then go to Lock Screen in Do Not Disturb and turn off Show on Lock Screen. So I will switch that off. And now on my lock screen, you can see there is nothing. And if I send myself a text, and now I send myself a text, and you can see on the lock screen, it will not show. Now the text should have already arrived on this device. However, because we have asked the device not to show any silence notifications on the lock screen, that is why it's not showing. So if I go back into my device, you can see here in my text message, I should be able to see this is a test right here.